Let's kick her on a Band-Aid. Let's make a Christmas card. It's easy, come along. Paper colors glitter bright, crafting while we sing this song. Snip, snip here, glue, glue there. Make it with a little care. Draw a star or Santa too, a Christmas card made just by you. Fold the paper nice and clean. Add a tree in festive green. Stick a heart or shiny bow. Watch your Christmas spirit grow.